Hi, babies. I got you some scratch. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, babies. Let's go. Little bobbing heads. Hi. Yeah. Okay. We made it. You guys. You guys, let me sit down. Okay? Hold on. Yeah. Okay, you ready? They're going for it. This isn't sped up. Sometimes I speed up the video. But these girls, they want their protein. You ready? More? Okay. Okay. Yep, sometimes you just have to sit and watch. It's good for the soul. Did you hear that? Coming a little closer. Yeah, you heard that. So I will be making a video about Flora's eggs, what I found online. Information that seems interesting and may help you too if you have that same situation with your hens. Yeah. Okay, okay. Hey! But I forgot my notes. So we'll do that in the next video, or can't promise that either. But we will get it done. Okay, girls. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. It's raining. Duck feed and soldier fly larvae. Oh my gosh, it's raining. I just felt a raindrop. Okay. Till next time. Bye-bye.